Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Amazon Shopping Prime membership. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC and log into Amazon. Now, after logging to your Amazon account, you will see your home page. On the home page, click on this account and list option at the top right. Now, you will see your lists, your account and manage profiles option. Here, you'll have to simply navigate to and click on the Your Prime Membership option. Now, when you click on Your Prime Membership, it is going to show up this page. As you can see, I haven't joined Prime Membership right now. But in order to cancel your Prime Membership, you'll have to simply navigate to Amazon.com, account and lists, that the page that I showed right here, and after that, you'll have to hover over the Manage Membership section at the top right of the screen. Then tap the End Membership button. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed to cancelling your Prime subscription. Now, if you're using a mobile device, you'll have to first of all open the Amazon Shopping app on your mobile device. Open the bottom of the screen, then tap the Profile button, which looks like a silhouette of a person. Then scroll down and navigate to the Manage Prime Membership option. On your mobile phone, press the Manage Membership drop-down menu, then press the Manage Membership button in that menu and click End Membership button. After that, you'll have to follow the on-screen instructions to proceed to cancelling your Prime subscription. So that's the simple way you can cancel your Prime membership on desktop and mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.